Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, as you can see there, steaming hot, just finished, we're doing a beautiful and very simple potato curry with coconut milk. It's very, very easy to make. It tastes delicious, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Very simple amount of ingredients we have today. Potatoes there. Now, I've peeled them and I've parboiled them, so they're still really quite hard, but they've just had just a couple of minutes head start. You could be doing this with raw potatoes, but this, like I say, just gives you the edge. 1 large onion chopped. Here I've got 1 can of coconut milk. Chopped fresh cilantro or coriander. On this side I've just got some bell peppers, mixed colours, just to add a little bit of colour to it. Our whole seeds today are dried chilli, red chilli, and black mustard seeds. On this side our powders, there's 5 powders there. There's about a teaspoon each of turmeric, chilli, cumin, coriander and garam masala powder. In the centre we've got a big tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and I'm using this nice very hot red chilli today, but you could be using some green chilies if you wanted. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add some salt. That is about it. Very easy. Okay, so I've got a nice little wok here. Got some sunflower oil on the go there. You could be using a different oil if you want, no problem. Let's drop in those black mustard seeds and the red dried chilli, quite a few of those. So this is going to be fairly spicy, but at the same time going to have the kind of coconut smoothness to it. Just want to infuse this oil with these guys. Then what we're going to do is, like I said, I've got parboiled potatoes here. They really are quite hard. I mean, I can't crush them in my hand or anything, so only a couple of minutes. What we're going to do, drop these in. We're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring all the time. This might be quite loud. So we just have a little bit of colour on these potatoes. They're still hard, but it's at this point we're now going to add in our chopped onion. To that I'm going to add some salt, and I'm then going to add in that fresh chilli. Like I said, I'm using that one, very tasty that one, but quite hot. And then our garlic ginger paste. So staying on this heat, which is just above a medium, let's go for another 3 minutes. Okay, coming together really nicely. Let's get in those bell peppers just for a little bit of colour. Then we're going to add our powders. Let's take a look at the powders again. Equal parts here, like a teaspoon each. Turmeric, chilli, coriander, cumin and garam masala powder. Let's get this in, and then let's keep it moving for a few seconds. We don't want the powders to burn. If they burn, they become very, very bitter. Okay, next up, our coconut milk. We're going to lower the heat now to just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go now until your potatoes are tender, about another 4 to 5 minutes. What I need to do, hold tight, is I just need to add a little bit of water to help it on its way. So yeah, looking for our potatoes to be tender. In my case 4 or 5 minutes, I think, on this low heat. Give it a stir every now and then. We are very, very nearly done. Okay, off goes the heat. Those potatoes are nice and tender. Let's finish this off with some nice fresh cilantro or coriander. Check that for salt. Let's get that little mix in there. And that's it done. You've got a really nice, hot and spicy. But like I say, the coconut milk really kind of smooths that out and balances it. Lovely little potato curry there. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.